Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and this is a really quick project share. I did a mixed media canvas. I started it on one of my lives, I think, and I just actually called it finished a few days ago. And this is it, and there's not a lot. I can't go like from start to finish because I've forgotten some of what I've done, but I can go over the highlights. This piece here, I have to glue down again. I think I might have used hot glue on this, and I should have used oh, what is that real heavy glue? Now I can't think of the name of it, but that's what I need to glue that down tight. So anyway, I started with a blank canvas. I gessoed it, and then I put down this old-fashioned or vintage looking lamppost. That's from Prima. And I also added this oval-shaped frame, and I'm not sure. I think somebody might have sent me that, but I'm not positive. And then here's a Prima, oh my gosh, birdcage. Wow, it's really late at night. I probably should wait until the morning, but I wanted to try to get this done. So I started off with those three pieces, resin pieces, and then I did some texturing, and I used a stencil for this branching here, and then I brought it down here, and there's some down here which I don't know if you can see. You might not be able to see it. And then I did some stenciling with bricks. I used texture paste, and then I just started adding things. Like this is actually a piece of dangle lace here, and they were like leaves, and so I put that there. And let's see, what else did I do? There's some wild orchid craft flowers everywhere. The little walk roses. I added a butterfly. This is a metal butterfly. And there's more roses here. Here's more brickwork. This is a piece of lace. Oh, this little clock is metal also. And then, see, there's just more flowers. I just kind of went here and there with the flowers. Here's another metal piece here. And then I think the next thing I did was some stamping. And I used a script stamp. And I just went here and there with it. And then I started spraying. And I used several different sprays and different colors. There's bluish green, there's like a purple lavenderish, there's a goldish color. And they were different. Some were tattered angels, some were what do you call it? I'm trying to think of the different names. Delusions, and a couple of others. And so I just sprayed. I kept spraying till I got what I was looking for. And for anybody that's, just starting out on mixed media, I haven't done many pieces. I think this may be my third piece. And I learned you have to let each color dry. So I heat dried it with my heat gun. Otherwise, you're just going to get a muddy mess, and I learned that the first time. So after I sprayed it and I got the colors I wanted, I thought I was done. And I realized, I kept looking at it, and something, I don't know, it just didn't look finished to me. So I didn't know what I was going to do. And then I realized, well, you can't see. I mean, you can see the bricks and, you can, but you couldn't see all the little details. So I took my, one of my black Sharpie fine tips and I just started going over edges of all the different like pieces. Not a lot, just here and there to bring out some of the little details and the features. And then I went around the edges with it, and then I called it done. I thought, okay, now it's done, and I do like how it came out. I mean, you can tell it's a beginner's, and that's what I feel like I am as far as mixed media goes. I'm still a beginner, but I will be doing more mixed media, and I want to I want to try different things on canvases because when I entered a canvas challenge back in October that Paula Shabling group on Facebook, I went to Michael's and I ended up, they had a huge sale on the canvases and I ended up buying, I think it was either 8 or 10 for, for whatever the price was, and it was half price. So I still have, I think, seven well, depending on how many was in. I think it was 8 in the package, so I still have 7 left. But I want to try some different types of mixed media pieces. So anyways, that's it. This is what I did. I know, I didn't give you a lot of information about, what I did, but the mixed media ones I find are going to be the hardest to try to, do a process video on or a project share on. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to start babbling now because it's late and it's time for bed. But if you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I still have a couple more projects that I've just finished that I need to do a video on. And I'm hoping to get to those in the next couple of days. So I will see you all again soon. Bye for now.